Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, the adage, a picture is worth 1,000 words, could best describe how some homeowners and business operators felt after Carnival patrons made a mess of their properties Saturday morning. Jamaica Maitland has our story.
Despite the colorful paint blotches in sections of Kingston's Golden Triangle on Saturday, it was not a picture-perfect scene for residents who only saw red with the sight of paint left behind by revelers on the walls, the gates, cars and sidewalks, street furniture, among other things. Town Clerk Robert Hill says he's received numerous complaints about defacement and the level of efficiency to have the paint removed.
I would like to say that in the several pre-planning meetings that we would have had, the promoters, organizers, band leaders indicated and committed that they would have had washdown facilities following the reveling activities. What has happened is that it is either halfway done or not properly done, and residents have been calling both the mayor, myself, and the team that is out on the road from KSAMC, expressing their displeasure and their concern about the paint splashing on the walls, on the roads. These are residences that people live, and so I can understand the heightened sensitivity around it and the action that is required to resolve this issue.
At least 2 Carnival bands were hosting a road march on Saturday in St. Andrew with hundreds of patrons. Mr. Hill, as well as Mayor Andrew Swaby, was among a team from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation who observed the revelers as they celebrated. The removal of garbage from the street was another concern.
We have indicated to all the promoters that we will be on the road observing what is being done, making sure that what they have agreed to, they keep their promise. So a team of KSAMC personnel, and to my understanding there are some from National Solid Waste Management Authority, were deployed to all the areas, and we have been observing, we have seen where they have been collecting the garbage. They were literally behind the bands, revelers I should say, making sure the garbage are collected.
Last year, there was a flurry of complaints after sections of the road march route were littered with garbage. It was eventually cleaned by the Solid Waste Management Authority. This time around, the KSAMC says there will be effective garbage control, which the bands have all agreed to. However, that is left to be seen following the Carnival Road March on Sunday, April 27. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.
Assurances from the government.